Ladies and gentlemen, if you need to see Glassdoor reviews without actually signing in or signing up, I've got you covered. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to go straight over here onto glassdoor.com. You will find yourself here. Over here on the right hand side, you see it says sign in, which means currently I'm not signed in. You're going to go to the top over here, look for companies, tap on companies. Let's open that up. From this page, you're going to just scroll down over here. You'll see search for a company, and guess what we're putting in here? Glassdoor. If you're wanting to look for Glassdoor's reviews, you can see companies. Under companies, you will find Glassdoor with a 3.9 star review. And once you click on it, you'll actually find everything about Glassdoor right over here, including their reviews. So here is just their overview and everything else about them. And once you scroll all the way down through all of the rest of their information, you'll see right at the bottom their reviews. There we go. You can literally find all of the reviews in this very same space, all without signing in.